Life is a journey with ups and downs, and sometimes we face problems that seem impossible to overcome. But in those times, we see how wise Psalm 34:17-20 really is. The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them. He saves them from all their troubles. When you feel like you can't handle everything and problems are all around you, know that your cries are heard. The Lord hears everything you say, and He is your safe place. The Bible says, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit." When you are hurting and feeling hopeless, know that God is right there with you. He is your comfort when things seem hard. Even if the righteous have to go through a lot of trouble, the Lord will come to their aid. He will protect every bone in their bodies so that none of them will break. There will be problems, but know that the Lord will always protect you. He watches over your whole being, making sure that no matter what life throws at you, you won't break. Trust in the Lord, because He keeps an eye on you with unchanging love and kindness. No matter what you're going through, know that God is with you and ready to lift you up, heal your wounds, and protect you from harm. Your strength comes from your faith in Him, and He hears your prayers. Keep your heart open to His direction, and you will find safety in His everlasting love. Psalm 34:17-20 is a source of hope, healing, and support that will always be there. Remember these words and let them lead you through life, no matter what comes your way. May the words of this psalm bring you peace and strength. May this bring light and hope to your life,